Hi, welcome to my channel. So for today we'll be making starfish cake topper. So this one is very simple. I hope that you will learn something and enjoy the tutorial. So without further ado, let's start with this one. So we got over here some tools that we need. So we got some rolling pin, gum paste or fondant, some tools, and then some edible color cutters. That's all we need for today. So we need to roll the fondant or gum paste, not too thin but a little bit thicker because we want to make this one look longer at the end. So I'll try to put some cling wrap before trying to cut this one into a star, just like this one. So because why we do that one, because we want to have a body, we don't want it to be flat, because we will try to make this one look bigger, just like the starfish. So this one, I will try to smooth the sides using my fingers. So it's very important to make sure that your fingers are clean. And then after that one, I will use this tool. Try to push this one inside little by little. Why we're doing this one? Because we want to make the arms of the jellyfish longer. So step by step, little by little, we're trying to make the arms look longer. So we need to repeat the process, just like this one. Push inside, and then try to pull and mold the arms little by little. Because if you try to make this one a little bit faster, or if you put too much of force on this one, the arms will be destroyed or it will fall apart. So it's very important to make this one slowly. So it's very important to have a lot of time and a very long patience if you are making cake toppers. So this one is already okay. This is how I want it to be, but let me push it a little bit more, just like this one, and mold the arms. I'll try to make it a little bit longer and shape it just like this one. So this is almost done. So I tried to put this one into my cutting board so that you can see it instead of holding it. Just a little bit and we are almost done. So after this one, we need to put some details. So we need some tools so that we can be able to make it look rough. We don't want it to look smooth because it's a starfish. So this one is already almost done. I'm just trying to make the arms look smoother, something like this. This is the star and this is the starfish now. There's a big difference. So now I'm trying to put some details, something like that. Something like this one. So that one. So we'll try to put the details in all of the arms. Inside, also at the sides. So try to put that one. This one. So it's starting to look like a starfish. But we still be putting some details on this one later. So let's try to finish this one first. So this is already okay. I think this is already fine. So I hope that you can see it well. So you can use this tool. If you don't have that one, you can use a toothpick. So this one is already okay. So I'm gonna brush this one with a little bit of water so that if I will put the next details, it will stick on the starfish. And now we will trying to make some small rounds or circle, whatever you want to call it. So we need to make small, medium, and large, maybe 3 to 4 sizes, because we will be putting that one at the arms of the starfish. So that's it. So you need to put that one and use a ball tool, something like this, so that we will put a design or details. So this one, so you need to put 4 each arms, 4 pieces each arms. So I will try to finish this one and show you how it look like after. And then the next one. Until we finish all of the arms. That's why when you say customized cake, most of the time the customized cake are not cheap. Why? Because the cake decorator usually put a lot of time and effort in creating and making it look realistic and just like what you requested it to be. And now we're almost done inputting the details. And now we need to put some details inside, just like that, at the center actually. So we need to put some details at the center, and then we are almost done. So that's it. So after that one, I need some vodka or gin, and then we'll try to put some edible brown color or orange, whatever you want to put that one, whatever color you want. But me, I want it to look like pale brown, something like realistic color. So I'll try to put that one over here. And then we need some water. We will be removing the excess, trying to remove the excess color, just like this one. So this one is already okay. I'm trying to let it dry a little bit. So this one, you can set this one overnight and then you can be able to use it. This one will be okay the next day. It will be hardened and the color will look better the next day. So this is how it look like, and you can use this one already. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something on this. Bye.